In this video, I'll demonstrate how to view users' meeting and call information in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center at admin.teams.microsoft.com. Then select Users, followed by Manage Users. This grid shows a list of active users in your organization. Next, select the user you want to manage. In this case, Adele Vance. Below the tiles at the top of the page, select Meetings and Calls to see a list of meetings occurring in the last 24 hours with data insights and a list of past meetings and calls that includes information about the call quality of each. Of course, you can filter the list. Select Filter and choose whether you want to show just calls or just conference meetings. Then select Apply to update the grid. To learn more about a specific call or meeting, select it. Meeting details include a timeline of people joining and leaving, and information about each participant. To learn more about using the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to view users' meeting and call activity, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.